Shout out A1GTV. 20-pound portable microwave can heat 11 meals in between charging.
What do you think? I like this guy carrying it.
He doesn't have the right outfit, though. He should have like a construction outfit. You're supposed to bring this to the job site, right?
Yeah.
His outfit's, he's going to space or something. 20-pound cordless microwave can heat 11 cold meals or 20 drinks before it needs a fresh pair of batteries. Now, since it's made by Makita, you know it's probably going to utilize their other battery system that you're already charging for all their power tools.
Sure.
It's pretty sick. So now you get a hot meal on the job site. Or never mind the job site. Maybe it's like all types of work that happens off-grid. You could take this.
You just bring this for the team.
Research or mining, or
just remote in the forest or something.
Anybody
like cutting trees.
You're in the forest with a hot meal.
Yeah,
it seems a little heavy to carry all the way out. I mean, you need to get a truck out there because I don't think you want to carry this thing long distance. Just
this is a bad example. Carrying this? No, you probably just leave it in your truck.
You leave it in your truck.
You know?
Absolutely. Well, you look at even those things over there, those crazy construction projects in like Saudi Arabia, and guys are out there for ages at a time, and you can probably charge this off your truck too, right?
Yeah.
With 2 fully charged XGT batteries, Makita's microwave can deliver 500 watts of power for 8 minutes before stepping down to 350 watts until the batteries are dead. The batteries provide enough power to reheat about 11 lunches or 20 hot drinks, but mileage will vary, particularly if starting with frozen meals. Yeah, that's always tough when you're reheating the fully frozen. There's a handle on top and an included strap, which makes the 20-pound microwave easier to carry, but don't expect to heat up a meal while it's hanging off your shoulder. Not only does opening its door deactivate the appliance, but there's a tilt sensor that also deactivates. Imagine you're just walking around cooking. I feel like that man was cooking over there. Really?
Your legs just getting radiated?
For the time being, it's only going to be available in Japan, where it will sell for around $540 USD. And who knows, maybe if it takes off over there, you're going to see it elsewhere.